the Osmo Pocket 3 quickly became a favorite among vloggers, content creators, and travel filmmakers looking for a compact yet high-performance 4K camera. Its built-in gimbal, small size, and outstanding image quality allowed creators to capture smooth cinematic footage without relying on bulky gear. Now, the buzz around the upcoming Osmo Pocket 4 suggests DJI is preparing to raise the bar once again. With exciting rumors pointing toward major camera and performance upgrades, including a deeper collaboration with Hasselblad, the next generation could mark a huge leap forward for portable content creation. One of the most exciting developments tied to the Pocket 4 is the potential integration of Hasselblad camera technology. DJI has previously brought Hasselblad imaging to its high-end drones like the Mavic series, but this could be the first time we see such pro-level optics in a pocket-sized camera. Hasselblad's reputation in the photography world is unmatched, known for their exceptional color accuracy, detail rendering, and dynamic range. Bringing this kind of image science to a compact handheld device would allow creators to achieve richer, more natural-looking footage straight out of the camera, reducing the need for intense color correction in post. Another important aspect of this partnership may go even further. Some reports suggest DJI is increasing its ownership stake in Hasselblad, possibly as high as 75%. If true, this could lead to deeper integration of Hasselblad technologies across DJI's full product lineup, including not just drones and cameras, but also other future handheld devices. For creators, this could mean access to professional-grade tools in increasingly compact formats, something that mobile filmmakers and YouTubers have been eager for. In terms of hardware, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, which would be a major upgrade from earlier models. A sensor of this size can capture more light, improving image quality in low-light scenarios and enhancing overall sharpness and detail. Whether shooting at night, indoors, or during golden hour, creators can expect brighter, cleaner footage with less digital noise. Combined with a rumored 20mm wide-angle lens, this setup would give users a broader perspective, ideal for travel shots, vlogs, or group filming without compromising image clarity. The internal processing power is also said to be getting a boost, with a new advanced chip designed to handle higher data throughput and enable features like real-time HDR previews. This would allow users to view dynamic lighting adjustments as they film, ensuring better exposure balance in challenging conditions like sunrise, sunset, or scenes with deep shadows and bright highlights. With real-time HDR, what you see on screen is much closer to the final footage, helping creators stay in control of their visual story. Processing upgrades also open the door for improved computational photography. Expect better auto settings, enhanced image optimization, and smarter color tuning, especially when tied to Hasselblad's color science. These enhancements will likely cut down on editing time, letting creators focus more on capturing great moments and less on fixing footage afterward. The expected inclusion of smarter autofocus, possibly with phase detection and eye tracking, should also greatly reduce the chance of out-of-focus clips, particularly helpful during face-to-camera vlogging or when recording fast-moving scenes. Another, highly anticipated addition is ActiveTrack 7.0, DJI's next-gen subject tracking system. Known for its accuracy and smoothness, this new version is expected to offer even better stability, improved subject recognition, and fewer tracking failures. Whether you're walking through a city, hiking in nature, or biking on the go, ActiveTrack 7.0 could ensure the camera keeps you perfectly framed, without needing a second person behind the lens. When it comes to design, the Osmo Pocket 4 is likely to retain the iconic slim and vertical form factor that made previous versions so convenient. Its lightweight, easy-to-hold body makes it a go-to device for creators on the move. And of course, it's expected to feature DJI's signature 3-axis mechanical gimbal, a key differentiator from most smartphones and action cameras that rely on digital stabilization. Mechanical stabilization ensures ultra-smooth footage with no quality loss or heavy cropping, making your content look more polished right out of the camera. On the software side, DJI is rumored to be updating the user interface and rolling out new features through its companion mobile app. With a more capable processor and AI enhancements, the Pocket 4 could offer on-device video effects, faster wireless transfers, and intelligent editing suggestions. This will make it easier for users to go from recording to sharing with minimal delay, perfect for creators who want to publish content quickly, whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. As for pricing, while there's no official word yet, many expect a small price bump over the current Osmo Pocket 3, which retails for around $799. Given the rumored improvements, Hasselblad imaging, a larger sensor, better autofocus, and a new processor, it could still offer outstanding value compared to other high-end vlogging cameras on the market. Competing devices like the Insta360 Ace Pro offer strong features too, but the Pocket 4's all-in-one design with a physical gimbal and possibly Hasselblad-powered optics could make it stand out as the most creator-friendly option. In summary, the Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be an exciting evolution in DJI's compact camera lineup. If even half the rumors hold true, this could become the top choice for solo creators, vloggers, and mobile filmmakers looking for a pro-level camera they can carry anywhere. From advanced autofocus and tracking to real-time HDR and Hasselblad, image quality, everything points toward the most capable and refined pocket camera ever made. Stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for all the latest updates as we get closer to its official launch.